Plagued by violence over the years, the central Kingston communities of Parade Gardens and Rose Gardens came together on Ash Wednesday to play in the inaugural Peace Cup, the initiative that is using sports to make a difference in the new normal that's fostering peace. Denise Walters reports.
Violent conflicts and turf wars used to be the norm for decades between Parade Gardens, also called the Southside, and Rose Gardens, also known as Spoilers. But over the past few years, a new peaceful normal has been established.
Every corner you will find some unofficial team just playing football. So we realize that football really brings persons together. Sports on the whole, but we realize that football is one of those prime drivers to bring persons together.
Stacey and Waldron Jackson is a territorial officer for the Kingston Central Police Community Safety and Security Branch.
Previously, these two sides wasn't saying eye to eye, and I'm telling you, we're so excited. We're happy to see what's happening. We're happy for the peace initiative and this Peace Cup. We're hopeful that it will bring about an altogether a year-long, lifelong peace between the two communities.
And the Kingston Central Police are being lauded for their role in maintaining the peace.
They have had several outreach initiatives and have made an impact in the community, and so we want to appreciate. You know, Central Kingston is doing very well as it relates to the reduction of major crimes. It's one of the best performing police division, the Kingston Central Police Division. And I must say, our zone of special operation, the ZOZO that is in Parade Gardens, is one of the best performing zones of special operation in the country.
Additionally, sports is part of a broader community outreach that is bearing fruit.
Each Easter, we have an annual football competition, something similar, bringing the youth together from across a wide cross-section of the community. In addition to sports, we also have our Peace March and we have our cultural events. We also, right now, the Art Empire has some young men who have been granted scholarships from the constituency to pursue tertiary education at the Edna Manley School for the Visual and Performing Arts.
Meanwhile, Heavenly Culture, World Peace and Restoration of Light, HWPL, and Youth for Arts and Recreational Development Yard, Empire, were among several stakeholders, collaborators.
Regardless of socioeconomic status, regardless of where they come from, and regardless of who they are and what they believe, sports brings people together. We wanted to bring two communities that we've been serving for the past 3 years through multiple peace walks to the field and really show who's the best, but in friendly competition.
I believe it might be the first in a long time anything like this is happening, and to get the Central Kingston persons to come together in one space and be doing this, it is a blessing, and this is the beginning of greatness.
Parade Gardens clipped Rose Gardens 1-0 to win the inaugural Peace Cup trophy at the Breezy Castle Sports Complex.
This is just one of the initiatives or a benchmark to what will and what will coming in the future. So I just want to say thanks again for allowing the youth of the community to just express themselves on the field. And so with that, we will say it is a good thing going.
We are so grateful and we appreciate this competition very much and would like for it to keep next year and again to uplift all the young youths from both Parade Garden and Rose Garden.
The tournament also featured 6-a-side football matches with teams from the Kingston Central Police, Kingston Central, Almontown, Raytown, Fletcher's Land, and a women's team from the JDF. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.